Artificial intelligence is transforming our world at breakneck speed. From creating art to writing code, AI is now woven into our daily lives, reshaping how society, and especially work, functions. The big question: what does this mean for our jobs? Today, we're diving into careers that could vanish or be radically changed by 2030. We'll break down how AI is taking over tasks humans have done for decades, and what that means for people in those roles. Let's see which careers are most at risk. Let's start with telemarketers, a job many won't miss. For decades, these workers have been the voice on the other end of countless unsolicited calls, reading from scripts and trying to make a sale. But now, the landscape is changing faster than ever before. AI-powered robocallers now use advanced natural language processing to sound convincingly human, adjusting their pitch, tone, and responses in real time. These systems can even detect your mood and adapt their approach, making them far more effective than the old, robotic voices we used to ignore. These AI systems can dial thousands of numbers simultaneously, work around the clock without fatigue, and never need a break or a lunch hour. They don't get frustrated or tired, and they never call in sick. Businesses are replacing entire call centers with a single AI system, slashing costs, boosting efficiency, and eliminating the need for massive teams of human callers. The savings are enormous, and the results are often more consistent. AI can instantly access customer histories, predict objections, and tailor conversations for maximum sales impact. It can analyze data in real time, learning from every call to improve its pitch and close more deals. Meanwhile, our phones use AI to block spam calls before they even reach us, creating a technological arms race between robocallers and call-blocking algorithms. So, AI is making the calls and blocking them, leaving human telemarketers squeezed out of the equation. With fewer and fewer opportunities left, companies have already shifted to automated outbound calls, with the remaining human roles limited to handling only the most complex or sensitive customer issues that AI can't yet solve. For cold calling, the writing's on the wall. Automation is taking over, and the traditional telemarketing job is quickly vanishing. While few will mourn the loss of these calls, it's a major loss of entry-level jobs that once provided a first step into the workforce for many people. This is just the first domino in the AI-driven transformation of the workforce. As automation spreads, more roles are at risk, and the pace of change is only accelerating. The precedent is clear. Repetitive, script-based roles are disappearing fast, replaced by machines that can do the job faster, cheaper, and more accurately. The telemarketer's era is ending, replaced by tireless, data-driven AI that never sleeps and never stops learning. The question is, which job is next? Let's keep going and see how deep this transformation goes. Transition to next scene. Next up, cashiers, the familiar faces we've all interacted with at the end of every shopping trip. In recent years, self-checkout lanes have become the norm, not the exception, in stores everywhere. What once felt like a novelty is now a standard feature in supermarkets, big box retailers, and even convenience stores. These modern systems are fast, intuitive, and efficient. They allow a single employee to oversee multiple kiosks at once, drastically reducing the need for traditional cashiers and streamlining the entire checkout process for shoppers. But the next leap is even more radical. Just walk out technology. Here, you simply grab what you want, walk out, and get charged automatically. No scanning, no waiting, and no checkout required. No scanning, no lines, no human interaction. The entire checkout process is invisible, handled seamlessly by sensors and artificial intelligence. This groundbreaking tech, pioneered by Amazon Go, is spreading fast as costs drop and more retailers adopt it to stay competitive. Cashier is one of the most common jobs worldwide, employing millions. So this shift means massive job displacement, affecting communities everywhere. While some new roles will emerge, like tech support, customer help, or maintaining these advanced systems, the net number of jobs will shrink, leaving many workers searching for new opportunities. The familiar checkout line is vanishing, replaced by machines and invisible AI systems that work tirelessly and never need a break. For consumers, it's a world of greater convenience and speed. But for millions of cashiers, it's a looming crisis, as their roles are automated away. The retail landscape is being completely rewritten by automation, changing how we shop and who works in stores. The question isn't if this will become the new normal, but how quickly it will happen, and how society will adapt to these changes. The future of shopping is frictionless, seamless, and mostly human-free, promising speed and efficiency like never before. Let's see where else AI is making an impact, transforming industries, and reshaping the world of work. Transition to next scene. Now, let's talk about drivers, those everyday heroes who keep our cities and supply chains moving. From the early morning taxi rides to late night deliveries, drivers are the backbone of urban life and commerce. Taxi, truck, delivery, and bus drivers. Millions of people who spend their days and nights behind the wheel, connecting people and goods across towns and cities. But now, self-driving vehicles, once a sci-fi dream, are operating in select cities, quietly reshaping the way we think about transportation. These advanced cars use a network of sensors and powerful AI to navigate, predict traffic patterns, and make split-second decisions that keep passengers safe. For ride-hailing companies, removing drivers slashes costs, boosts profits, and allows for 24/7 service without breaks or human error. Autonomous trucks are set to transform long-haul logistics, handling endless highway miles without fatigue, rest stops, or the need for sleep. The hub-to-hub model lets AI trucks handle highways, while skilled human drivers take over for the complex, unpredictable city driving at each end. Local deliveries are being automated by robots and drones too, bringing packages right to your doorstep with impressive speed and efficiency. The entire logistics chain is being reimagined, from warehouses to the final mile, with automation at every step. The transition won't be instant. Regulations, safety standards, and public trust are major hurdles, but the economic incentives for companies are huge and growing. Millions of driving jobs are at risk as AI gets smarter with every mile, learning from real-world data and improving constantly. The professional driver's role is facing an existential threat, forcing many to wonder what the future holds for their livelihoods. Automation is steering the future of transportation, promising efficiency, but also raising tough questions about jobs and society. Let's see which industry is next in line as automation continues its relentless advance. Transition to next scene. Remember travel agents? The internet hit them hard, and now AI is finishing the job. Online travel sites let you compare and book everything yourself. Now, AI-powered assistants learn your preferences and build custom itineraries in seconds. Just tell a chatbot your budget and interests, and it'll plan your trip. Flights, hotels, activities, even hidden gems. AI can rebook flights, find new hotels, and adapt to changes instantly. For most travelers, the need for a human agent is gone. Only luxury, bespoke travel advisors will survive, catering to the ultra-wealthy. For everyone else, AI offers more convenience, personalization, and lower costs. The neighborhood travel agency is a relic of the past. The future of travel planning is digital, instant, and AI-driven. Another traditional job, quietly disappearing. Transition to next scene. Automation in manufacturing isn't new, but AI-powered robots are changing the game. Early robots were rigid and dumb. Today's cobots are smart, flexible, and work safely alongside humans. They can be taught new tasks by demonstration, not coding, and adapt to changing production needs. Cobots assemble phones one day, package medical devices the next. AI-driven quality control spots defects humans miss, boosting product quality and reducing waste. The economic case is strong. Robots work non-stop, never take breaks, and deliver consistent results. Some manufacturing is returning home, but with robots, not people. Human roles are shifting to supervising, maintaining, and programming robots. The classic assembly line job is vanishing, replaced by tireless, intelligent machines. The pace of change is accelerating. The future factory is automated, efficient, and needs far fewer hands. The question, how will workers adapt? Let's look at another office job on the chopping block. Transition to next scene. 15. Data entry, once a staple of office work, is being wiped out by AI. Modern AI-powered OCR reads messy handwriting, complex forms, and even unstructured documents. Robotic process automation, RPA bots mimic human actions, entering data into systems thousands of times faster than people. The human role is now just handling rare exceptions or spot-checking the AI's work. One person can oversee what used to take a whole team. Data entry jobs, once a major entry point into offices, are vanishing. Businesses are adopting these tools to boost speed, accuracy, and cut costs. The need for manual data entry is evaporating. The office of the future is streamlined and automated. Another traditional job, quietly disappearing. Let's see how automation is changing even the way we eat. Transition to next scene. Fast food is being transformed by AI and robotics. Self-order kiosks are everywhere, reducing the need for front-counter staff. In the kitchen, robots like Flippy handle grilling, frying, and assembling food with perfect consistency. These machines never get tired, improve safety, and boost output during rush hours. Fully automated kitchens can prepare entire meals with minimal human help. Orders are placed via app and robots assemble everything from fresh ingredients. Human roles are shifting to machine maintenance and quality checks. The fast food industry, a major employer for young and entry-level workers, is automating rapidly. The burger of the future might never be touched by human hands. The job market will have to adapt to this new reality. Automation is changing what it means to work in food service. The future is here, and it's robotic. Transition to final scene. We've seen how AI is reshaping telemarketing, retail, driving, travel, manufacturing, offices, and fast food. While jobs are disappearing, new opportunities are emerging for those who can design, build, and manage these systems. The future is about humans working with machines, not against them. The most valuable skills will be creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and tech literacy. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt. These are your best tools. This evolution is ongoing, and we'll keep covering it. What job surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.